Hello students, again welcome to my class. Now today we will discuss about some problems from your book. Okay, this is the question number 1 from page number 7. Okay, your question is 45,62,402. 45,62,402. My dear student, this number is in word form or this number is in mathematical statement. Now, how can you write this number in numerals form? How can you write this number in numerals form? Okay, now look here. So your question is 45,62,402. How can you write this number in numeral form? Now 45 is in lakh group. 45 is in lakh group. So we can write here this is 45 lakh 62. 62 is in thousand group. This is 62 402. 402. Okay. So this is the required answer for your required question. Your answer is 45,62,402. As you are looking here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. This is 62. 62,000. Lakh, 10 lakh. 45 lakh. So your answer is 45 lakh 62,402. Okay, this is required answer for your required question. My dear student, your next question is, now look here. Your next question is 38 lakh 75,018. Okay, 38 lakh 75,018. This is in word form. And how can you write this number in numerals form? Now look here. 38 lakh. 38 is in lakh group. So you can write here 38 lakh 75,000. 75 is in thousand group. 75,018. So this is 18. Okay. Your answer is 38 lakh 75,018. 38 lakh 75,018. This is required answer for your required question. Okay. Again welcome to my class. Now your next question is 7 crores 53 lakh 83,060. 7 crores 53 lakh 83,060. How can you write this number in numerals form? We will apply for this question. We will apply same procedure. Okay. So how can you write? Now look here. This is 7 crores. So what will you write? 7 crores means this is 7 crores. Okay. 53 lakh. 7 is in cross group. Now then after 53 lakh. 53 is in lakh group. 53 lakh. 83,000. 83,060. So this is your required answer for your required question. Now look here. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So it will be 7 crores, 53 lakh, 83,060. This is required answer for your required question. Okay. Again, your next question is 5 crores, 3 lakh, 954. How can you write? We will apply same procedure for this question. 5 crores. Your required answer is, this is 5 crores and 3 lakh. This is 3 lakh 954. So this is 0, 0 and 954. Okay. 5 crores 3 lakh 954. 5 crores 3 lakh 954. As you are looking, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So 5 crores 3 lakh 954. This is required answer for your required question. Okay. My dear student, your next question is 3085625. In this question, what will you do? This is question number 2. Insert comma, 2 separate periods and express the number in words. Insert comma, 2 separate periods and express the number in words. Now look here. This is 3085625. So in this question, first what will you do? In this question, first we will put up the comma according to Indian place value system. Okay. Now look here. So first we will put up the comma 30. As you are looking, 3085625. First comma after 3 digit and next comma after 2 digits. First comma after 3 digit and next comma after 2 digits. As you are looking. And how can you write this number in words? Now look here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is in lakh group. This is in 30 is in lakh group. 85 is in thousand group. 625 is in ones group. So we can write here in words. $30 lakh, $85,000, $625. Okay. So your answer will be 30 lakh 85,625. Okay. 30 lakh 85,625. This is required answer for your required question. Okay. Again, your next question is 4935288. Okay, 4935288. How can you write this number in Indian place value system? So we will apply same procedure. First we will put up the comma according to Indian place value system. Now look here. First comma after 3 digit, second comma after 2 digits. Okay. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 49 is in lakh group, 35 is in thousand group, 288 is in ones group. Now look here. This number you can write 49 lakh 35,000 288. So this number you can write here 49 lakh 35,288. This is required answer for your required question. My dear students, your next question is 66253,827. 66253,827. How can you write this number in Indian place value system? So first we will put up the comma. First comma after 3 digit, second comma after 2 digit, and next comma after 2 digit. Okay. First comma after 3 digit and next comma after 2 digits as you are looking. So how can you write this number? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. 6 is in crores group. So what can you write? 6 crores, 62 lakh, 6 crores, 62 lakh, 53,000, 827. Your answer will be 6 crores 62 lakh 53,827. Okay. Your next question is okay. 85380,256. How can you write this number in Indian place value system? What is your first step? First we will put up the comma. Okay, first comma after 3 digit, second comma after 2 digit, and next comma after 2 digit. First comma we will put after 3 digit and next comma after 2 digits. Now look here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So 8 is in crores group. What can you write? 8 crore, 8 crores, 8 crores, 53 lakh, 80,000, 256. Your required answer is 8 crores 53 lakh 80,256. This is required answer for your required question. Again, my dear student, your next question is, what is the place value of 5 in each of the following numbers? Your first question is 254,90,308. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. This number is 2 crores 54 lakh 90,308. In this question, your requirement is place value of 5. Place value of 5. What is the place value of 5 in this number? So now look here, 5 is in which place? 5 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 5 is in 10 lakh place. What can you write? 5 into 10 lakh. 5 into 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 5 into 10 lakh. It will give to you 50 lakh. Okay. So place value of 5 is in this number is 50 lakh. Okay. Your next question is, what is the place value of 5 in this number? As you know very well, 5 is in which place? Ones, tens. 5 is in tens place. So place value of 5 is 5 into 10. It will give to you 50. 5 is in tens place. 5 into 10. It will give to you 50. Okay. Your next question is, place value of 5 in this number. This number you can read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. 5 is in crores group. So what can you write? Place value of 5 is 5 into 1 crores. 5 is in 1 crores. It will give to you 5 crores. Place value of 5 is 5 crores. Okay. Your next question is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 5 is in which group? 5 is in 1000 group. So place value of 5 is 5 into 1000. It will give to you 5000. Okay. Place value of 5 in this number is 5 into 1000. It will give to you 5000. Okay. My dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.